At the end of this video, you will learn how to create a class in Google Classroom. So keep watching. This is Lowell. I'm a faculty of the College of Education, MSU IIT. In our transition to remote teaching, creating a class online is very essential. One viable platform you can use is Google Classroom because it's simple and user-friendly. In this presentation, I will show you how to quickly create a class in Google Classroom using your computer. In your browser, type in classroom.google.com. Then sign in your Google account. Otherwise, you need to sign up and create a Google account. In the classes page or dashboard, click the plus sign. Then select Create Class. When the Create Class window opens, enter the class name, and remember this is required, while section, subject, and room are optional. Then, once done, you can click Create. Once you create a class, Google Classroom automatically creates a class code. Use this class code to invite your students to the class. You can always find the class code on the stream page. If you wish to see all your created classes, just click the 3 lines menu and then select Classes to return to your dashboard or Classes page. In the dashboard, you can find all the classes you have created. For instance, this is the class I created during the demonstration. That's it. You can now create your class in Google Classroom using your computer. Please comment below if you're able to apply this in your Google Classroom. In my next video, I will show you how to create class in Google Classroom using smartphone or tablet in Android and iOS version. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and click that notification bell. Thank you.